If you are looking for the right phone for outside, for everyday life or for work, then you won't miss the AGM M11 because it is a robust phone that can handle a lot, and the great thing is that it has wonderful functions that we miss on some phones. But before we show you these, of course, we want to show you in our videos, as always, what is packed here. Do we need anything else, or does the AGM company add something or everything? So we have our phone, then let's see what else is packed here. Then we have a charging cable at first glance, and it is a USB-A to USB-C cable. This is standardly packed here to avoid electrical debris, and because of the EU Law 2025 that we would have to offer two models, one with a plug and one without, there is no plug here. So the cable is included, USB-C to USB-A, a big step forward or a big advantage. We already have USB-C here, many still have the micro USB connection. Then we have the battery here, which by the way provides 4000 milliamperes, and that is really a lot if you consider that we only have one key phone here. Why this one is so big, you will find out in the course of the video, because this is something very special and I personally liked it best here. So the battery is also included here, and what we also have included is, how could it be otherwise, namely the quick start guide. The most important thing is explained here in short sentences. And that's all. So we already have the content here, or what is included here. Next, let's take a look at the connections, because that is enormously important. We have protected a 3.5mm jack for the headphones and the charging connection. This is USB-C, as already mentioned before. And as you can see, the whole thing is shattered here, because our phone is also waterproof, so that no water gets in. Then we have USB-C cables here again. This one is also rubberized so that no water gets in here, because we can, hold on, charge our objects with this phone, because it is also a power bank. You heard it right, it's a power bank. With reverse charging we can charge pretty much everything. Of course a flashlight, and the speaker. This is also on it, directly on it. The speaker is relatively good, even if it is so small. The camera, yes, we'll get to that, it's nothing special. And that's actually it with the connections, we don't have any more here. As I said, I can close the whole thing here so that no water gets in. So it is also dust resistant, of course, and also waterproof. So much for the connections, there is nothing more. The dimensions, it is relatively thick and bulky, of course, because it is 2 by 2 centimeters thick. And that's because the battery is so thick, because we have 4000 milliamp hours here. Nevertheless, it is very, very good in the hand. It only weighs 225 grams. The whole thing is, even according to military standards, waterproof, shockproof, and even dustproof. And it still fits in any pocket, and I can even operate it with one hand. And that's what it's all about. As I said, I can just put it in my pocket, 225 grams. The technology, we come to the most important features. What is installed here? The camera has 2.0 megapixels, no more for emergencies. 4000 milliamp hours, that's really a lot. We have a 2.8-inch display here, VGA display, that's nothing extraordinary either, but at this size, what should you install there? I can't install an OLED or an AMOLED display on a keyboard here. What is really important? We have a battery here that can be replaced, and it is hidden behind this cover, because with this we can ensure that no water comes in here. The whole thing is even dual SIM. The internal memory is 64 megabytes plus 128 megabytes with a memory card up to 128 gigabytes. As I said, the battery is 4000 milliamp hours. We will now insert it, and in addition the cover comes here so that no water, dust or whatever comes in here. That means we can also go for a bath comfortably with our phone and there will still be no water coming in. So we'll put that on and we'll put the lid on it right away. We only have to press this one is only clipped, and then we can start with the functions, which functions we all still have on board here. Be curious, because there are really some on it that you would never have thought would be in a keyboard phone. So, the battery is inside, it's time to turn on the phone. We'll turn it on and take a closer look at the menu now. What is here for a menu and what functions are there here? And whether you believe it or not, we have ChatGPT on this phone, we have Gemini here, and we even have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all the social media services, these are on here, as well as games, of course. Wikipedia, you have a camera here. You have maps here, that means you can see where you are on the map. We have power bank here, reverse charging, that means we can charge all our devices with an integrated cable with a 4000 milliamp hours battery. So we have a lot of social media here, we have reverse charging here, we even have a hotspot and WLAN here, that means we can make a hotspot via the SIM card so that the other devices have WLAN. Flashlight, calendar, how many keyboard phones do you know that have these functions? So WLAN, hotspot, reverse charging, flashlight, radio, shockproof, waterproof, dustproof, the whole thing according to military standards, even Bluetooth is here. So I'm really fascinated by this keyboard phone, because many people are looking for a keyboard phone, but at the same time they don't want to do without social media. But many can't get used to a smartphone. That's why there is this phone here from AGM. And very important for you, many people ask themselves, who is AGM? I have never heard anything from this company. AGM Mobile was founded in 2008 and its goal is to produce robust smartphones and tablets, with the focus on outdoor industry and applications. They develop devices that are specifically designed for use under extreme conditions. These are characterized by high resistance to water, dust, shocks and extreme temperatures. And the whole thing even comes from Austria, namely from Hirabach. The whole thing is sold by the company Barephone Mobile. There are different models here that also have a thermal imaging camera, night vision, and these are specifically intended for use, such as cold resistance, heat, water, and these also have very high speakers. So much for this company. We will link all the technical data in the video description. Now comes the most important thing, namely, many ask what this great thing costs. Keep in mind, it only costs 99.90. That's right, only 99 euros for a keyboard phone according to military standards, which uses these great functions. If you have questions about this, use the comment function, subscribe,